Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Sensei. I'm Emily, and I'm very happy you are here with us today. This is a calm place, a safe place, a place where you can learn English without fear, without stress, and without pressure.
Hi, friends. I'm Jack. And yes, I feel the same. When I learn English, I want to feel relaxed. I don't want to feel scared. I don't want to feel shy. So if you feel nervous sometimes, you are not alone. I'm learning too.
That's right, Jack. And today's topic is very friendly, very useful, very real. Today, we are talking about small talk in English. Simple daily conversations, the kind of English people use every day at work, at school, in shops, with neighbors, with friends.
Yes, small talk. Not big talk, not difficult talk, just small talk. Simple talk. The kind of English that helps you feel comfortable with people.
Exactly. And if you like learning English in this calm and natural way, please take one small second to like this video, subscribe to English Sensei, and share it with someone who is also learning English. You are building a habit, not rushing for perfection.
Okay, let's begin.
Jack, let me ask you something. When you meet someone for the first time, what do you say?
That's a good question. Sometimes I say, hello. Sometimes I smile. Sometimes I say nothing because I feel nervous.
That is very honest and very normal. Small talk is exactly for moments like this. Small talk is short, friendly conversation. It is not deep. It is not personal. It is just a bridge between people.
A bridge. I like that word.
Yes, think of small talk like a small bridge. It helps you walk from silence to connection. You don't need perfect English. You just need simple words and a friendly tone.
So, small talk is not about being smart, it's about being friendly.
Exactly. Let's imagine a real situation. You are waiting for a bus. Someone is standing next to you. You don't know this person. It feels a little quiet, a little awkward.
Yes, I know this feeling very well.
This is a perfect moment for small talk. You don't talk about life problems. You don't talk about politics. You talk about something simple, something around you.
Like the weather?
Exactly. The weather is the best friend of small talk.
So, I can say something like, it's very hot today.
Yes, that is perfect. Very natural. Or you can say, it's cold today. Or, it looks like rain.
And then the other person can say something back?
Yes. Maybe they say, yes, it's very hot. Or, I hope it doesn't rain. And just like that, the bridge is built. Let's slowly practice some very common small talk sentences. You don't need to repeat now. Just listen. Feel the rhythm.
Okay, I'm listening.
You can say, nice weather today, isn't it? Or, it's a beautiful day. Or, it's very hot today.
I noticed something. These sentences are short, very simple.
Yes. Small talk loves short sentences. Long sentences are not necessary.
So I don't need to explain everything.
No. Small talk is like a smile. Short and kind. Jack, can you tell us a small story? A simple one?
Sure. One day I was in a coffee shop. I was waiting for my coffee. The barista was busy. It was quiet. I felt a little nervous. But then I said, it's busy today. The barista smiled and said, yes, very busy. That's it. Just two sentences. But I felt good.
That is a perfect example. Nothing big happened, but you felt more relaxed.
Yes, I felt human.
And that is the goal of small talk. Now let's move to another common small talk topic, daily life. Very simple things.
Like work?
Yes, work, or study, or daily routine.
So, what can I say?
You can say something like, how's your day going? Or, how's work today? Or, are you busy today?
These feel very friendly.
They are. And notice something important. These questions are not too personal. They are safe.
And the answer can also be simple.
Yes, the answer can be, it's good, or it's busy, or it's okay.
Emily, I noticed something. People often say, it's good, or it's busy. They don't explain a lot.
That's right. In small talk, simple answers are enough. You don't need long stories unless the other person wants to listen.
So, small talk is like opening a door slowly.
Exactly. You open the door a little. If the other person wants to come in, they will. Let's imagine another situation. You're at work or at school. You see a colleague or classmate.
Yes, I see them every day, but sometimes I don't know what to say.
This is very common. You can start with something very simple. You can say, good morning, or hi, how are you?
Everyone knows these.
Yes, and that is why they work. After that, you can add one small sentence. Something like, busy day today, or long day today,
I like that. It feels natural.
because it is natural. Now, let's talk about something gently. Many learners think they need perfect English for small talk,
I used to think that.
but small talk does not need perfection. It needs connection. Even if your sentence is not perfect, people understand your feeling.
So, mistakes are okay.
Mistakes are part of the bridge. They don't break it.
Emily, is small talk different with friends?
Good question. With friends, small talk can become longer talk, but the beginning is the same. You still start small.
So, even deep friendships start with small talk.
Yes, every big conversation starts small. Here is something very important. Small talk is not only speaking, it is also listening.
Oh, that's interesting.
When someone says, it's very hot today, you don't need a new topic. You can just say, yes, it really is.
So, listening is enough.
Listening is powerful.
Emily, I feel something when we talk about this.
What do you feel?
I feel that small talk is not scary anymore. It feels manageable.
That is exactly what we want. Confidence comes from small wins, not from big pressure. Okay, let's gently wrap up today's episode. Today, we learned that small talk is simple, friendly conversation. We talked about using the weather, daily life, work, and simple questions to start talking.
We also learned that small talk is like a bridge. It helps us connect. We don't need perfect English. We just need to try.
Now, here is your very easy practice task. Today or tomorrow, try one small sentence. Just one. You can say, nice weather today, or how's your day going? That's all.
And if you feel nervous, that's okay. You are learning. You are growing.
Before we go, here is our question for you. Please answer in the comments. What small talk sentence do you want to try this week?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you for learning with us at English Sensei. You are doing a great job. Keep going, one small step every day.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.